Hello everyone, I'm Ellen from LiQWYD, the channel for parents that want to explore the world with their kids. We went to Ella in Sri Lanka. If you want to know what that's like, this video is for you. Enjoy! We spent the night at the wonderful Glenlock tea factory and then we packed our bags and headed to Ella. Lots of tourists travel by train from Kandy, but we opted for a scenic route by tuk-tuk through the tea plantations. We just loved traveling at our own pace. Nuwara Elia, for example, was something that was not on our itinerary, but we very much enjoyed watching the cute little English-style houses in passing, feeling the cooler climate of the hill station and getting an impression of the little town in general. By lunchtime, we bumped into this small Indian dosa restaurant. Watching the dosas being made while waiting is already an attraction by itself, but eating them even more. A nice extra, there's a Hindu temple across the street that's worth visiting. The scent of incense, the sound of chants and people saying prayers make for a beautiful experience. Also, monkeys everywhere, so you'll definitely have your kids' attention. Getting to our hotel was quite a challenge because we had to reach it by driving up this very steep hill. I got totally stressed out. Luckily we made it and we were soon ready to go hiking. Our first choice was Little Adam's Peak. At the start of the path we saw a snake charmer. The kids thought this was the best thing ever. They liked it so much. We were prepared for a tough hike through the mountains, but the path was easy. And along the way, snacks and beverages are available everywhere. The last 10 minutes are a little bit harder, but still very doable, even with kids. The view at the top of the mountain makes the effort definitely worthwhile. This is one of those places to just take it all in, take a break and take some pictures. Looking at the number of selfies our teens took here, even they were impressed. You can't really go to Ella without seeing the 9-arch bridge. We knew it was going to be impressive, but we were so charmed by the laid-back vibe of this place. People playing music, selling coconuts, taking pictures to post on Instagram. This was the perfect spot for a picnic. As a mom, I was kind of worried about the kids walking on the tracks, so I was happy to hear the trains only run a few times a day and everyone warns you when the train will pass. We felt really lucky a train passed while we were there. The kids just really liked waving at the passengers. On our last day, we just wanted the kids to chill a little near water. We found a waterfall on Google Maps and just went for it. This was easier said than done though. We couldn't find the right path and the hike was a lot harder than we thought. The great thing about Sri Lanka is that you're seeing monkeys and other animals everywhere you go, and that makes any trip a lot more enjoyable, even when you're off track. In the end, we asked some local kids to help us find the waterfall. Because of dry season, it was kind of small, but that didn't stop our boys from having a dip. All in all, we had a fun day. Ella is a backpackers hub in Sri Lanka. There's so much fun things to do, visiting tea plantation, cooking courses, hiking, ziplining. It's also the perfect place to meet other travelers. We had a fun dinner with another Belgian family in a place called 360, ideal when in need for some Western food after lots of rice and curry. For the kids, having the opportunity to talk in Dutch with other kids was a welcome change. We liked this place so much. If ever in Sri Lanka, don't skip Ella. And next up, having some problems along the way and ending up in Polonnaruwa unplanned. Make sure you don't miss that. Okay, I hope you liked this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Bye!